Welcome to Pedal of the Day. Hello. Or should I say bonjour? Why? Why should you say bonjour? I'll tell you why I should say bonjour. Because today I'm going to show you a pedal that has a distinctly French flavor. It is the Esprit Blanc, which of course anyone knows means the white spirit, but in French. So this is a pedal that is come off the back of our really lovely unmatched transistor White Spirit Mark IV, the one with the red fuzz flash on it. It's a kind of 1.5 take on the Mark IV. Unmatched transistors, amazing cleanup, goes from real sort of nasty, chunky, garagey rhythm to sweet singing leads, but with a lot of attitude. This is another white pedal. This time it's a bendy grey logo. I think it looks gorgeous. We called this the Mary Quant finish, the white paint, when we did it. It really is a bit special looking. Well, they all are, aren't they? But what's this French nonsense, Ant? Well, I'll try and explain it in a minute. But first, let me look at Dave's tasting notes that he's sent along with the prototype. The Esprit Blanc. Tasting notes. It's a hot day in Monte Carlo. You are having afternoon tea with Brigitte Bardot. That's this pedal. I should say it's in a French accent. And just consumed 3 hits of blotter acid. That's this pedal. The Esprit Blanc. Now, the French thing. Let's just say Rotosound Mark III, 1967, Paris. That's the voicing of this pedal. Now let's have a listen. So exciting. Oh man, that's gorgeous. You won't miss that on the stage. Well, as you'd expect, wonderfully saturated, thick fuzz. Clean up. Very Mark II. Even probably a bit more 1.5-ish than the White Spirit. The White Spirit's got a kind of Mark I-y, nasty, transparent edge. This definitely has typical 1.5 cleanup. And an interesting combination of gain and tone change. When you pull it up to full. Not just gain, definitely a... That's cool, almost almost courtois. Really nasal. I'll give the tone a little wiggle. It just takes you by surprise, you know. You think it's decaying, and then suddenly all these little harmonics start shouting at you. I actually really like it. Dead center. So, here you go. Esprit Blanc. Sounds beautiful, looks beautiful. Made for us by the guys at DAM. This will be a Danny-made pedal, so you're in very, very good hands in terms of it being put together well. We are really looking forward to this one, and by the time this video comes out, hopefully they'll be in stock and ready to rock. Sounds like a lyric, doesn't it? The tone bender's in stock and ready to rock. Okay. Anyone using that want 5%. Very cool. Okay, that was pedal of the day, and that was the Esprit Blanc. And hopefully you've worked out the French significance of what I'm talking about. It's a bit cryptic, but I'm sure you'll get it. See comments below. Rock and roll. See you next time.